So here it is, 328i. I love the white. I was trying to get the car in white, black, or red. The main color I wanted was white, so that's good. I got this plate right here. Me too, bro. I'm gonna go to jail for driving this. I had it right here, but I drove pretty far. I didn't want to get pulled over. But someone stole my plate, you know? So it has different tires on every wheel. The guy told me, hey, great tires, man, great tires. The tires not that great. Here's the bag. I got a little custom some light, you know, YouTube. And I got this little sticker right here too. I'll put it on here, you know, to rise it up. The window tint is bad. All right, and right here. So what was going on? It was the first day I had it. All right, I know I lied. It was about the second day when I bought it. I went to go play mini golf. When I was reversing, it took the whole bumper out. It fucked up some shit. You guys maybe noticed it. The check engine light. It has the check engine light. Literally came on the day I bought it, and it turned on about 1 hour of the drive, and the shit turned on. It gave me a heart attack. All the holy shit. Maybe it's nothing. Maybe it's the gas cap. Maybe it's not. So I'm gonna fix the check engine light in the next video. So stick around for that. You know, stick around for that. Oh yeah. So and this, you know, the interior, you know, is falling apart, just like my Z3. This little thing is missing right there. Get this part wrapped up black. You know, get it the gloss black. All right. So then that's it. I think that is it. Oh, I gotta take a snap. Oh, you already know it's the PewDiePie hoodie. You feel me? Big fan